know about nurses, they are not serious people. There's a 4-day drama myself. And one of my TikTok is woemaya.
Nurse ni ware said the nurse fo ni bimo.
Omo ware said the.
Omo ware said the doctors ni bi nso di wo. Night na omo ko no.
Freezing backbones.
Hey, listen.
Yeah.
You know how it goes. Coco president. I drew the academy.
Afia SCHWAR aba bekasa fa health workers ehun ne titiru ene nurses fo a omu egu profession ne hu fin juma omu di wayaresabia anka ye de mokoti wosam ne ejuma ne de ejuma wosam ye no tesa omu ye contrary to that na we na ya Nicky ano so wa akoma FM so don't think on the host no ono nso de ne de aba betu su bie na o chire mu te send the allegations pa we the wild allegations pa na say we reveal enya sem ketwa kura na chesoma fodo na so akira omadwen efa ensem ne ho set ebusuya de bewrem ni hu senia ensem no si ekonyina but more than so be subscribe am say subscribe ya na bon notification button so like share for no onye bi and share wa je share na da comment section hono amame aha Kofitv GH ebusuya mayenru ensem ne mu ni enkotie Afia SCHWAR okasa about nurses for say and the content creators our TikTok na uniform you omo flaunt sa shake omo to ene education pa omo nnebi tie ne nsem no.
Our health workers, most of them are content creators. And imagine senders near our panel or share TikTok so. You know when I used to work as a cabin crew, we were not allowed to use our phones. I am yet to see Ghana nurse near or share uniform now or proper education. Now some also want to tell you uniform. I am yet. As I said, I am yet to see. You can't see on my behalf. Do you understand what I'm saying? You cannot see on my behalf. I am yet to see. And in the make impact and come. Do you understand what I'm saying? The fact that somebody is your friend and is doing it. Said you are Jimmy man trend and say the make good impact and kill. So I'm saying Brofun and I say I am yet to see. So the fact that your friend is doing it in her small corner has not been impactful enough because I haven't seen it. What do I see? Nurses doing TikTok trend, dancing in their uniform, shaking their buttocks, and confirming everything that we know about nurses. They are not serious people. There's a 4-day drama myself. And one of my TikTok is woemaya. The content is more important than their patients. It becomes a problem. It becomes a big problem. What you see? It becomes a very big problem. It's a shame. As I be here to say, it's pathetic. It is. It is. America, when you go on the FYP, you see people, hospice nurses educating on hospice, people educating on health, police officers educating people on laws. When you come to Ghana TikTok, nurses are shaking their buttocks, fire service shaking their buttocks, Ghana police shaking their buttocks, celebrities shaking their buttocks. The rest of them are fighting and fooling. Asa. Ghana police, armed service, shaking their buttocks. If they are not shaking their buttocks, And Sasa, then they said, go to former. Let go, I said that Saturday. Hey!
Where the Afia SCHWAR na akasa no ane. Or say she is yet to see say let's anyway about na TikTok so educate say oh we be boy jai say but the omuni mo an say on bet na TikTok na the uniformation mo na mo so mo ho na mpo no patient da wa obehwe no krampo no na the on TikTok o hwe TikTok kakra na aboss na be patient nipa ne kakra na drop na be mi na kakra eno na tisa mo no hospitals ahodo no na when ya Nicky and so aba ka bibi afa nurses for mo night shift nurses and doctors mo night shift me say allegations pa ebusia we dey mean nka ma no tie ni nsem no
nurse ni ware said den nurse fo ni bi mo
omo ware said den
doctors ni bi nso di wo night na omo ko no
password
omo o ni no ko de nsa be wo na se
o si nurse fo ni bi no
nurse fo ni bi mo
so wa ware said
alleged but me ka wa ware said den ni kunu was ka said den ni kunu ho fe said den doctors ni bi di wo
mo personal experience
me wo personal experience
o ko ye ju
wa ni ko de nsa be wo one penny a me say adwuma bi enu abe hospital doctor na ni be so anase obi ani be so omu ni mo ho nurse fo no mu cheat no omu ni mo ho ntuo omo ana fo mo ho na fo ntu won ka ho de anase wa be farasi ni
e dey tina wanya adwuma no wanya
me dey tina na ma anya nurse me ye kakra mi jaye ne se wo be ko night na doctor bi ball to na oyese no
doctor utwe no ball to
doctors fo ni o ma kohwie PF no kra na edin muntin
PF no ye dey no
physician assistants for no
okay
omo no mo nka ho sa no omo no ne nurse for mema no as a nurse for mema no my senior kakra no ne doctors for ni bimo any PF for ni bimo sanse hunu na no mudi no ho enti no ubon se nurse ni bia ya adwuma na waja aware doctor bi achi na ma cheze ni kunu de ne se ne banchi aba
real personal experience so
na de me hunza me nurse ma ye bi da
so ko e ko hu sa de bi o doctor bi twempra pen
well according to Nicky no and because oh me ko night shift no na chese dwuma mu ko die e wo no we de enyeme na meka Nicky eneka na when no manfo binum abekire o madwen pa de afa nsem ne ho say no kre say ne kre no ebusia ma menkan bi nkire obi say hey night shift that's usually busy and stressful no who has time to even think of stuffs like this hey I say night shift there na busy pa mo ni time kra mo de be yes na no mpo and Afia say she simply stated that she is speaking from experience. However, it seems like some people are upset that she disclosed their night shift schemes in the comment area. And Afia say, oh, so kasa from experience. Ebia, asama be kan, asama wa betem to. Enti am mubu ofui. Then there asama kan dey say, no krepa, and no so e kan no. The understand channel Afia say, so when will people for once respect this profession? Say I'm talking from experience. Madam, if you had known your worth, you wouldn't have left the job. I also should say okay say free experience been na kan wasem no. Identical na say profession na say juma no more respecting sa. More respecting no. Na ka hu so hwe ye hu say na wo sombo a aka juma no kra no. Anka nya de a wo bejai. And often say how can you say this is not true? Say and some de omanfo do na na akira omadwe ebi say no kore emi say dabi enya no kre enya sa na te often say funny people reacting anyhow. My mom was posted to a village because she refused to be a side chick to a medical assistant, now PA, be there and say is in kwasia kasa ayo often say share ono ne maame ko post ni ko to ekurase because so no enya de obeti ase akoye sa check am doctor ni bia eno ntini na ko to ekurase mo da wonti na mo ka say nsem na oka na enim ewo papa oh she's speaking from experience I just say especially Accra nurses up 99 over 100 na say enkofo ja to mpa say eya de a omo eye ofo say fact my friend is a doctor and so no laughing emoji to say eya ade adodo na ebi so mfo so kra se omo yesa obi kwa kire se hwe message ma no ya so afa na me bete sa asem ya Nicky eke na ese ne kura enum wow bia wa se sa ansem we etisen if you shas negadi o ka se necessary enya dia professional omu gu na se omu gu professional ni mu ase first na obe se o nurse ni pa this a wodo e de ma e adwuma no nanso nurse uniform na ye omo fe nti omu ko dina omu fa camera se omu so de na de omu be bia na omu ye because na ko hospital so se nurses no e be treat you no obi o yare na wasa ba na de we be se atete no arho e se ko na ma ne pressure kwa na se akosoro mo enso fukane no na ye odo passion and a woman adwuma no but see and dey akwa say oh adwuma bi oni o man no mu na is me ye we post me nti ma me ko room sa ba ye be post me say wakwa ko room bi sa enti dey akoso nyina no san enete ne kro bi wom anasa ne kro bi anim na do agenture no afa comment section on ama me kai say aha Kofitv so that remember so won subscribe ya message wa say subscribe ma me nebo notification button so send e be post video na on sabe kan na wonya bi ahwe uwia menja na sa like share from for na wonya bi en share wa chen no na da for comment section on ama me send e medin kan dada no medin ene krivia afra kuma
for aka Mesama on sinika de wono wajiba bia we champion ba bia
Mr. President kasa moso funa na boachi ya dom ni aka Mesama on 24 stadium ni sheti de bo afun mi no so na de ba Mesama na adwo no
sa
ye kasi to manso a me manso no on bet
pia
on bi bia
Ghana pia
ope o manso fa metu akama tia
pia
ne mo se ko pase ka ko aduro dia mini ko aduro adi se ko hu ko president
ba ko be
ono pa pia koko di ni panya de nwa na ye di eti no so yare pia wa nko ho na ba bia me Mesama
koko ni